Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use mint leaves for skin whitening. First, gather fresh mint leaves, ensuring they are clean and free from pesticides. You will need about 1/4 cup of packed leaves for a single application. This natural ingredient offers a gentle way to enhance your skin's radiance. We will explore simple methods to prepare and apply mint for the best results. To prepare your mint paste, begin by washing approximately 20 to 25 fresh mint leaves. Ensure they are completely clean. Next, place the leaves into a mortar and pestle or a small blender and grind them until a smooth paste forms. If the mixture is too thick, add 1 teaspoon of rose water or plain water to achieve a spreadable consistency. This paste is the foundation for your skin treatment. Once your mint paste is ready, apply it evenly to your clean, dry face. Make sure to avoid the delicate eye area. Let the mask sit on your skin for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the natural compounds to work their magic. Afterwards, rinse your face thoroughly with cool water and pat dry. For optimal results, incorporate this simple treatment into your routine 2 to 3 times weekly. Beyond brightening, mint offers additional benefits like soothing skin irritation and helping to reduce blemishes, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. Remember to perform a patch test first to ensure no adverse reactions. Consistency is key for seeing noticeable improvements in your skin's appearance. For more great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.